Hi, welcome back to another Temu review. Today we are reviewing this gnome or gnome gnome. So I actually like these. I think they're really cute. They're just I don't know. They're weird and unique. Now, as always, we're gonna go over and we're gonna play a game with you guys. Take a guess how much you think we paid for this. So there's feels like beans or something in the bottom, so it stays upright. Seems to be made of pretty decent quality. Little arms move. So what do you think? How much would you pay? Okay, lock your answer in the comment section. Pause the video and lock your comment. We paid $4.69. Would you pay this?